Now that you have your baseline work instructions established, let's add on that traceability enhancements by connecting some scanners into your work instructions. There's two different ways to approach this. One, if we change our action input, when we change our assigned device, typically speaking, when you're using a entry-level version of PICO, you'll be using that manually entry from that virtual keyboard. What we're going to do is change that to any scanner. That's going to allow any scanner plugged into your laptop, touchscreen monitor, or desktop computer to pick up that scanner and input the information directly from the operator screens. There's no reason to add an additional hardware in this sense if you're already working off of a different desktop or computer setup. Alternatively, there's a way to connect a scanner when you're doing an on-premise deployment with some PICO hardware. When we talk about a devices page, what we can do is add a scanner to our system in this way. When we click the Add a Device button, you'll see the full device library of every PICO device available. In the Essential group, you only have scanners and monitors available to you. So when I filter all of my categories here and navigate to my scanner section, I'll see all of the different scanner models available. These are just the models available in the PICO library today, but we're constantly adding new scanners to the library. I'm just going to select a Zebra scanner here, one of our more popular models. And what I'm going to do is just enter a name for this scanner, which is my assembly station. It's going to select one of the hubs that's currently deployed on your system, one of those edge devices that comes with the on-premise deployment. And we can also add this device to a specific station. So in this case, I'm going to be adding it to my seat post install station where I'll be doing my scanning. And if there's a specific Bluetooth address from our scanner here, I can enter that in here as well. I'm just going to put a placeholder in there for the time being, just to mock up what the scanner may look like. When I navigate back to my process, I can assign a similar action in the same way. That instead of doing an any scanner action, I have the ability to select the correct barcode scanner as needed. So I'm going to assign this process to my seat post install station. After doing so, I have the ability to assign that device to any of those scanners or those assembly station scanners that I've selected here as well. You'll notice any scanner is only available at the test station because I don't have any scanners available there, but I have that assembly station scanner available at that seat post install station as well. So when we navigate to the Traceability tab, we have the ability to use those connected scanners to directly scan in that information. So we can change our code to being a 1D or 2D barcode. When we scan this, it identifies and tells the browser which scanner I'm using. And when I scan my code directly, it'll populate that information directly into the field here, which allows me to navigate directly to my build data tables to review exactly where that information is being entered. So when I click on that link, it'll directly navigate me to that tab and show me where that information is being shared. In this case, I can see that 138R serial number scanned in with a specific timestamp with that build data table.